Do you ever stop and wonder like what your brain is doing right now? Or do you ever have moments where you realize something you've never known and you like that almost real light bulb turns on above your head and you're like, wait, what? Um, and then wonder like of all the small, minute, meaningless details that you know, how there's still room for more and how you still have memory. I'm having like kind of one of those weeks. Um, I mean, like there's dumb things like you random facts uh, like the idea that oh it's early, a glass of water has more molecules in it than there are glasses of water in the ocean. or um, uh, I'm trying to make a point here. That a tree is the exact opposite of your lungs physically and functionally. There you go. If you didn't know it, now you know. Or that Charlie Chaplin once won third place in a Charlie Chaplin lookalike contest. Or that there are more fake flamingos in existence than there are real flamingos. These are just things in my brain. Um, and yet somehow still there's moments where I'm like, oh wait, what? I recently had this like moment where like my brain turned on. It like was like some like a generator in my brain was like kicked and like the power turned on when for the first time ever, and this was really recently. I'm talking like a couple weeks ago. The phrase um, "they wouldn't give me the time of day" made sense to me in a way it never had made sense to me before. I always took the phrase to mean that that person just would never give me their time, would never sit down and give me their time. Not literally, hey, what time is it? No, I'm not going to give that to you. Literally a couple weeks ago, made sense to me for the first time. Time of day. Um, and then as soon as yesterday, this is going to be, I'm admitting this. This is me admitting things to you. Simon and Garfunkel's The Sound of Silence is a song I've known about forever. It's probably been a song I would classify as one of my favorite songs. Its utilization in, oh god, is it The Graduate? It's too early for this shit. Um, I, literally. And yet, yesterday, Disturbed covered that song on Conan, and I listened to it in a way I've never listened to it before, and I was like, wait, did he change the lyrics? And I had to Google it. I didn't know those were the lyrics to Sound of Silence, and now I love the song even more. And because it's Wednesday, we don't get to enjoy the Sound of Silence, because on Wednesdays, we have a lawnmower. I should remember that lawnmower's there. It's like 8 a.m. every day. Neighbors, man. The Sound of Silence. No, man, I let that lawnmower distract me. Anyway, I just find it fascinating, like how our brains can like have such a great capacity for information, and yet there's still stuff we can't know and don't know and won't know, and that there's still the capacity to learn and be shocked and be surprised. I should have the lyrics to the song here so that I could read them. The part that I was shocked about. It's the part about the neon god they made. I was like, Simon and Garfunkel, how, what? This is incredible. And I'm admitting it to you right now. Anyway, it is Wednesday, March 30th. I will see you tomorrow.